Hey, in this video, we are going to learn how to fix Instagram login error. If you are facing an Instagram login error, try these steps. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data and try restarting a router. You can also restart Instagram and a device. Close Instagram completely and restart the application. Restart a phone and try logging in again. Another step is to update the Instagram application. Go to your App Store or Play Store and in the search bar type in Instagram. After that, tap on Instagram and if you see an update button, tap on it. After your update is completed, simply open the Instagram application and try logging in again. If you are getting an error like incorrect password, try resetting your password. Tap on Forget Password on login screen and enter your email, phone number or username and follow the link sent to your reset password. If the issue still persists, try reinstalling the Instagram application. Uninstall the Instagram and download it once again from App Store or Play Store. So that is how you can fix Instagram login error. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.